going to transfer the frequencies? Remember, we already got our value of x, which x is equivalent to 2 students. So the first frequency is 5. The next one is 2x. 2 times the value of x. X is 2. 2 times 2. You get your 4. And then the next one is 3 over 2x. 3 over 2 times x, but x is a 2. So the 2 and the 2 to cancel out. We remain with 3 divided by 1 times 1 to give us a 3. So we have a 3 there. And then we have a 6, an 8, and finally a 4. Then to be a student with good manners, we can go ahead and get the total for the frequencies to really be sure that they are totaling up to 30 students. So, Mr. Examiner, sir, please allow us right here our summation F. When we sum up, 5 plus 4 gives us 9. 9 plus 3 gives us 12. 12 plus 6 gives us 18. 18 plus 8 gives us 26. 26 plus 4 gives us a 30, which 30 is there. So we have, Mr. Examiner, a 30 there. Then cumulative frequency. Now, viewers, you need to know that always the first frequency is equivalent to the first cumulative frequency. So implying that if the first frequency is 5, then we have a 5 there. And viewers, you also need to know that to get the next cumulative frequency, you get the first cumulative frequency and add on the second frequency. Get the first cumulative frequency, add on the second frequency. 5 plus 4 to give you a 9. To get the next one here, you get the 9 plus 3 to give you a 12. 12 plus 6 to give you 18. And make sure that the last cumulative frequency must equal to the total of the frequencies. Now, 18 plus 8 to give us a 26. 26 plus 4 to give us a 30. As I told you, that the last cumulative frequency must equal to the total of the frequency. 30, 30. Now, as we conclude with our frequency distribution table, we need to move ahead to the lower class boundary to upper class boundary. But remember, these class boundaries come from the class intervals, the classes. These are classes, these are class boundaries. Lower class limit, upper class limit. Lower class boundary, upper class boundary. The first class limit gives us the first lower class boundary. So, one thing we need to know is, the moment we are dealing with whole numbers, then we do add and subtract 0.5. So it implies that we are going to get 6 minus 0.5 to give us 5.5. To get the upper class boundary, we get the upper class limit and add 0.5. So 25 plus 0.5 will give you a 25.5. 26 minus 0.5, you get your 25.5 to 45 plus 0.5 to give you a 45.5.